Hey everyone, Daniel Park here, your go-to SBA banker with nearly 15 years of experience helping entrepreneurs fund their dreams. Now listen closely, because everything you thought you knew about SBA 7A lending, it just changed. On April 22nd, 2025, the SBA dropped its newest set of rules called the SOP 5010-8, and they took effect June 1st. These aren't small tweaks. We're talking major updates that impact business acquisitions, refinancing, startups, and even how lenders operate. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 changes you need to know, and more importantly, what they mean for you as a business owner or buyer. So grab your Red Bull. This is gonna be good. Let's zoom out for a second. The SBA just tightened the rules. But before anyone panics, this isn't random. Back in 2023, the SBA got very generous. They loosened guidelines, removed fees, and made it easier to qualify. Great in theory, but in practice, it backfired. Defaults went up, SBA lost money, lenders took more risk than they could handle. So now, we're seeing a course correction. Think of it like going from open bar back to 2-drink tickets. This affects everyone, borrowers, lenders, and brokers alike. Let's start with something behind the scenes, but super important. Preferred lenders can no longer ask the SBA for second opinions. That's right, if a lender has delegated authority, they must make the final call themselves. Why? Well, the SBA laid off about 40% of their staff this year, so they just don't have the bandwidth to review gray area loans. So as a translation, you need a lender who knows what they're doing. There are no more safety nets. 2 big updates you might have already heard. SBA guarantee fees are back. Every loan, every size, no exceptions. Ownership rules just got stricter. Your business must now be 100% owned by US citizens or legal permanent residents. That's up from the old 51% requirement. Big shift, especially for partnerships. Now let's talk about the areas that took the biggest hits in this new SOP. Number 1, no more SBA loans to refinance merchant cash advances or factoring debt. If you're stuck in one of those, unfortunately, there's no SBA exit ramp anymore. Number 2, remember the $500,000 small loan cap from 2023? That's now $350,000. Also, the minimum SBSS score went from 155 to 165. Relaxed rules are gone. And yes, if you borrow over $350,000, you need to pledge collateral, even if that means a second lien on your home. Number 3, partial buyouts are practically dead. It used to be a seller could stay on as a minority owner in a buyout. That's basically gone, unless the seller personally guarantees the loan for 2 years, and every investor, even with just 1% ownership, signs on. Let's be real, that's not happening in most cases. So yes, partial buyouts are done. Let's run through a few more critical changes you need to know. Equity injection is back to old school. You need 10% down for acquisitions, and only half of that can come from a seller note, and only if it's on full standby for the life of the loan. The franchise directory is back. Your franchise must be listed on the SBA approved franchise list. If it's not there, you won't get funded, period. Credit elsewhere test returns. Lenders now have to prove why you need the loan. If you have a high net worth or lots of liquidity, expect more scrutiny. Startup loans equals 10% equity minimum. That rule is officially back. No more getting by with soft commitments or gifted capital. So here's the bottom line. The SBA isn't closing the door, but they are tightening the hinges. These changes will reshape how we fund, buy, and grow small businesses for years to come. So if you're planning to apply for an SBA loan, don't wait. Get informed and get strategic. And if you want someone to guide you through these new rules, I've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you've got questions, and follow me for more real-world SBA tips. I'm Daniel Park. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.